Hi, share.
Number 13. To number 13. Yeah. Jersey number 14. Number on bola. Jersey number 7. Drive.
Uy!
Masyado na sa tira. Outlet pass to the 17. Very good. Game boy. Ang bola. Game pa Torres Rivera. Masyado malakas pa rin. Babasa at ang bola.
Yung pala si Troy, oh. Doon. Ako doon. Uy, wag ka na maya sa vlog ko, Troy. Puro naman ano tayo niyan, oh. Ano ba naiyak sa vlog ko?
Shoutout kay Joy Boy.
Kanina. Si ano, SK Tenorio.
Shoutout sa'yo, SK Tenorio. Magpakita ka na.
Uy, best partner, magkasama, no? Golden Hands. Tsaka si Kyrie Enduan.
Si Joy Boy, ang galing maglaro. Idol ko yan.
Joy Boy.
Oo, idol ko yan. Idol ko si Joy Boy, ang galing tumaktak. Yan, limang tao, dinadaktakan.
So ayan guys, kasama natin si Sir CCTV. Hey! Di, napadpad kami dito sa ano? Si Silang, patas na burol. What's up, Joy Boy?
Natay.
Ano coaches? Ay, yung
Uy, another jersey, Joy.
What's another jersey? Another jersey, open it.
Because you have many jerseys. That's your reward.
Solid, oh. Joy Boy!
Damn.
Nice, Joy Boy! You will use that when you have a game, ano, 1v1, okay? So ayan, may bagong jersey na susutin si Joy Boy sa kanyang 1v1.
Thank you, Tay.
No problem. Marami pa yan, marami pa.
Uy, 1v1 King nandito na. 1v1 King.
1v1 team.
Dito na pala tayo. Nawala na tayo si 1v1 King. Puto rin si 1v1 King, oh.
Saan? Ginsang ko po. Saan? Diyan sa babae. Yo guys, so parang ano, nasa bahay.
Ano na, nakapagbahay na si 1v1 King, oh. Lokal lang dito sa mataas na burol.
So, butit ano nakalaro. Napakalaki ka ng bagay kapag naman-complete na tayo.
Siyempre, si tatay na nagsabi, maglalaro na talaga ako.
Yan, oh.
15 seconds shot clock.
Kamusta? 24-5? Ano, laki ah.
Yada,
Wala sumasagot eh.
Murado,
Sa susunod set, kung mayroon pa. Kasi pinabalan sila na.
Sego, Pagulakate.
Ito sila.
Sego, drive, Sego,
Pinunta ko, panalo kami.
Ayun, nang harang.
Harang pala si Golden Hands.
Wala nang ano, pambili mo yan.
Fernando, Paul,
Tatapo ka na. Ay, matanda, hindi na matanda.
Grabe.
Hindi, pinakabata muna. Interview ko muna yung pinakabata sa atin. Yung bali-bali St. Peter to tayo.
Tinatali ka ng trauma ng best friend mo.
Ikaw to pinakabata sa amin?
Nak, videoan mo to.
No?
Tignan natin yung mga
Jersey Golden Hands.
Kylo yun.
Sego, 12 seconds shot clock. Gonzalez,
Reyes.
27.
Brazil.
Subdivision.
Tangina.
7 seconds shot clock.
Ano yung kay Golden Hands?
Wala kang jersey yan, Golden.
7 seconds shot clock.
Uy, may jersey na, bago. Si The Rejector. Unbox mo, unbox. Uy. Hindi, meron na siya tayo.
Meron ka na? Yung blue. Ay, kala ko wala pa. Pinapahan na.
Baka ba naman si Golden Hands? Uy. Unboxing, uy. Anong moniker mo? The Rejector.
The rejector pero na-reject.
The Rejector. Unity mo.
Interviewin mo ang ating napakakisig na Andy Juan.
Andy Juan, anong masasabi mo na sa first game natin dito sa Mataas na Burol sa HBDL?
Malayo.
Ano masasabi mo? Layo lang. Hindi ka ba naligaw ngayon? Hindi ka naligaw?
Medyo
lang.
Lumagpas ka dyan.
Hindi naman lang. Ako yung sa Pusanto eh.
Sa?
Nakaway?
Ay,
Google Map ako.
Bakit hindi ka maliligaw?
Ha?
Baka may gusto ka matiyan din shoutout.
Shoutout lang sa, siyempre, MMW.
Yun.
Number 1. Tapos shoutout sa mga kalaban natin. Malalakas
MMS.
din yan, Team
Oh,
MMS. Mga player ng Tagaytay. Kailangan natin maganda.
Doon! Nandito na si Gracia na sa doon! Mr. Suave!
Nakapunta si Mr. sa akin.
Uy, nandito na siya!
Liga Serie tayo ngayon. Ito yung first game ng ating Open H Division. So makakalaban natin na MNS. Ano ba? MNS ba? So ayan, malakas tong lineup na to kasi mga player daw ng Tagaytay. So ayan, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga mangyayari sa laban ngayon. Good luck sa amin!
Uy, si Ginto! Ginto!
Ito yung mga coaches na... Kanina mga teams.
Shoutout po kay coach. Kay coach na ko, tsaka kay RJ Del Mendo, wiwiw.
Shoutout kay Ami Abraham. Shoutout sa
Ginamitan ng utang.
Yan nga, 1, 2, 3.
Ginamitan ng utang.
Hey, what's up? Ginamitan ng utang.
Dito na nga pala si Mighty Mouse! Joy, one more.
kami nung nakaraan. Joke lang yun. Eh, kahit matalo ko pa ng cooler.
Yung 17 ba yung t-shirt na
Biro lang yun, di ako magpapapress.
Uy!
Yun guys, meron tayong certificate of participation. 3 teams kasi ang in-entry natin dito. So ayan guys, support nyo na lang ang aming page. Sana kung ano yung magiging kalalabasan natin dito sa laban na ito or sa liga na ito, nandyan kayo para sa amin. All goods! MMW.
So ngayon guys, ayoko kukuha ko. Uy, coach la! Fair game lang. Kasama ko ngayon ang sasabi na kamagaling na coach, Joshua. Namiss na siya ng MMW guys. Coach Clarence.
Ano
sabi mo, Coach Cla?
Good luck, ang galing nyo. Ayun lalo na yun, si Cortez.
Cortez?
Shoutout ka mo kay Cortez, napakagaling niya. Paturo ko mag-basketball.
Uy, grabe ka. Nakita ko yung mga shooting mo, coach L2.
Oy, good luck.
Coach La! Hindi na ako pinakaano, mag-click kami nakarating eh. Namiss ko to. What's up mga ka-thumbs up?
Ay!
Talaga galing sa kanya yan eh.
Kukunin ko pala yung royalty fee ko kay Coach Mark kasi kung hindi nyo tatanong, yung WhatsApp mga ka-thumbs up, alam ni Coach kung
Sa
sino
kanya
nag-isip.
talaga yung galing guys.
So, medyo matagal-tagal niya na ginagamit, may copyright, tsaka may royalty fee, medyo siguro magkakapera na ako. Shoutout sa tropang Bali Parandos, sa Alacando, sa tropang Alfonso, tsaka kay Coach Mark, disco na to.
Yun.
Soon, Gulabulet, MMW.
All good.
All good. Hey, Lucius is in the house. What can you say about our game today, Lucius?
I hope we win.
And
I hope I have fun.
what's your message for both teams?
What teams? Let's play safe. Yeah, that's it. I just hope to win.
Okay. Is there any special shoutouts?
Special shout out to the coach. I hope we have some training because that's what I'm hoping to do.
Okay, thank you, Lucius. Dulugi yung mga kakampi mo, Sher, oh.
Panalo na eh.
Panalo na kagad, Sher. O, di pa nagsisimula, panalo na agad. Looking kay Crusher, di pa nagsisimula, oh. Kailangan ko player. So, ngayon guys, kasama ko ang Mr. Suabe ng MMW. Nandito kami ngayon sa Matas na Burol, Silang Cavite. May laro kami ngayon, kalaban namin ng M&M Open Age. Rasha sa doon, anong masasabi mo sa laban natin ngayon?
Wala, ano lang, laro lang. Walang away.
Anong message mo sa both teams natin?
Galingan ng kalaban. Galingan din ni Cortez.
Uy, grabe. Baka may gusto kang batiin natin shoutout.
Nabati ko yung mamat papa ko na nanonood sa live.
Yun.
Coaches, come here, let's go!
Dito lang ako.
This is our first dito sa ating liga. I hope na magkaano tayo magkakuya. Alam ko rin.
Both teams, tutulog ko muna sa gitna.
And I know that our games is new for you, but you should adjust, okay? You play in the center, defense center, okay? So guys, ano tayo? Tuloy natin ito. Walang magkakanya-kanya. Kung sinong mainit, tulungan na natin, supportan natin siya para kahit paano ay makalayo tayo. Nakita nyo guys, malalaki kalaban. Alam nila kung saan tayo, saan yung mahintay na natin dyan sa isa. Okay, so sa ngayon, focus muna tayo sa zone. Tapos,
Both teams, picture po muna sa gitna. Picture.
muna tayo, picture.
Lahat po ng players. Tay, kasama coach.
Ay,
Kasama
okay,
coach.
tay.
Player and coach. Starting time, blue team.
Amen. Saksi ko guys. Give your best guys. MMW 3, 1, 2, 3!
Mo sa arangan.
Ay, saan siya? 3, 2, 2, 2, 2.
Players, paalala, takin tayo. Pag nakita ng referee hindi nakatakin, automatic yan. Walang warning.
Lima na tayo.
Manalo, pass to Ortejas. To Omak. Pass it. To Manalo, Roger. To 14, in the ball, pass to Joy Boy, drive. Short.
Down!
Torres, West, pass mo na, Pernolo. Yes, shoot, Cortez, in the ball, pass to Taylor, position number 14, shot good. Position number 11. Shot lock down to 15. Position number 11, Pupako, to number 71. Pernolo. Cortez, toss it on. Pass number 14, shot, good. Jersey number 71, beating the ball. Pass to jersey number 14, Manalo. To Paco, to Tasi, shot, good. Tasi versus Joy Boy. Bakbakan ng mga Egoy. Pass to jersey number 24, 15, shot lock kick. Cortez, long kick, shot, good. Jersey number 71, giving the ball. Pass to Sorteas. Shot lock down to 15. Number 11. Pass to Paco. Paco on the launch. View, no good. By the touch number 71. Shot, good. At the point, to Joy Boy. Steal by jersey number 11. 11. Guarding by jersey number 14. Sorteas. Pinasa kay Tasi. Tasi kanina pumunta wala. Nakuha ni Cortez. Cortez. Nagkakita pa pasan. Pass to jersey number 14. Number 14. Number 14 on the drive. 5-7 win. Nugget. California. Now steal jersey number 14. Shot. Good. Number 18, Mr. Powell, guarding by Crusher Sadoin. Pass to jersey number 71, shot lock down to 15. Pass number 18, long, see, no give. Rebound, Cortez. Cortez guarding by Mr. Cortez. Cortez, long. Pass to jersey number 14, number 14, please. Right. Pass to Joy Boy. Pass off the ball, 10, shot lock good. No give, rebound the rest. Pass to Manalo. Manalo goal! Shot good! Sunaway pass si Mr. Joy Boy. Easy flavor tayo. Hapagan na nila sa playing over ng mga Mr. Pao. Mr. Cortez, bringing the ball. Shot lock down to 15. Sorteas sa dalawang logid. Ikaw nila. Ni Cortez. Cross the line. Sa line. Foul, jersey number 11. Jersey number 11, first personal foul. First team foul. Shoutout po kay Mr. CCTV. Ang official page po ng vlogger natin. CCTV highlights. Jersey number 11. Yeah! Shot lock down to 15.
CCTV. Ang video niya. Yan yung nagano kay RP tayo eh. Yung sa DBR tayo.
Manalo in behind the ball. Pass to Paco Bob. No good. Rebound it. Tasi versus Joy Boys. Pass the ball. Mr. Crusher sa ball ng Gentry. Speed. Shot.
Oh, shot!
Jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 18. Pass to number 11. Pass to jersey number 21. Shot lock down to 10. 1, 2, no good. Rebound ni Joy to Crusher's line. Cortez. At the line. Shot, no good. Rebound niya. Kanina mong tayo. One Mr. Paco. Paco pinasa jersey number 71. Jersey number 71. Pabanalo. Ping to number 71. Kanina mong tawala, jersey number 13, number 14. Cortez, pass the line, shot, beauty na. Sorteas, pass to Manalo. Shot lock down to 10. Jersey number 18, shot, no good, rebound kanya pa rin. Manalo di Duterte, shot lock down to 10. Tasi.
3 seconds.
3 seconds violation. Cortez. Fires the 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 18.
Ay, si Sir pala to eh.
Jersey number 18 na magtatawid. Taas sa jersey number 11. Jersey number 11, drive, spin, kick out pass to number, rebound to number 18, put back is good. Cortez.
I need somebody to be on the assignment.
Pass to jersey number 1, find the 3, good.
Position of
Official score natin, 17 minutes.
position. Number 14, you go there. Then in the forward position, you go the backward.
Jersey number 71, pass jersey number 14, shot lock down to 13. Shot clock down to 10. Jersey number 11, behind the back pass to number 14, using the glass, 2 points. Cortez. Cross. Shot clock down to 15. Joy Boy, pull-up jumper, no good. Rebound by jersey number 18, Cortez, fake. Drop pass, ang ganda ng ikot ng bola, para jersey number 14. Jersey number 18, fake, drive. Kick out pass to jersey number 11, fires at 3 points para jersey number 11. Cortez. Cross, behind the back. Pass to jersey number 14 to number 1. Shot clock down to 10. Five to shoot.
Foul.
Manalo, to Cortez. Step back, 3 points para jersey number 11. 3-point lead para sa MMW. 19-16, Cortez. Pull-up jumper, but there's no goal. Foul jersey number 14. Jersey number 14, first personal foul, second team foul. Timeout, M&S Sports Academy.
Nasa inyo naman guys. Dito tayo. Joy Boy and Lucius, you stay here, okay? Lucius and Joy Boy. So yung tatlo dito tayo. Ano tayo ha? Kasi depensa. Kaya na ni Lucius at saka ni Joy Boy yan yung ilalim. Basta kayong tatlo dito kayo kasi rest yan at saka yung backcourt.
Kami ni Lucius ilalim tayo.
Hindi. Si Lucius at saka si Joy Boy.
Joy Boy.
Sir, dito si Cortez.
Sabay na
First throw is good para jersey number 24. Second throw is good. Jersey number 13. Perez. Pass jersey number 22 to number 16. Pull-up jumper. 2-point shot para jersey number 16.
Joy Boy, raise your hand.
Cortez.
Shot.
Rebound by Tassi. Tassi, cross-court pass, but still by Cortez. Cortez nagmamadali. Pass jersey number 1. Points at 3. Points para jersey number 1. Jersey number 22. Still by jersey number 1. Jersey number 1.
Down.
Tassi to jersey number 13. To number 18. Jersey number 18. Drive. Fake. To number 32.
Bola lang. 3 seconds.
2 points para jersey number 16. Cortez. Shot clock down to 12. Joy Boy. Traveling violation. Competition. Jersey number 13. Kick ball. Jersey number 13, pass jersey number 18, number 16. Pass to Tassi. Kick out pass to number 22, fires the 3, no good, rebound na kanino. Number 18, put back, no good, rebound. Same ball. Substitution. Last 27 seconds. Last 27 seconds for the first period. Number 13 fires the three, no good. Rebound by jersey number. Nice foul. Foul jersey number 22. Jersey number 22, first personal foul. Third team foul. Last 21 seconds. Fifteen seconds. Number 15 to jersey number 1. Jersey number 1, kick out pass. Using the glass no good, rebound by jersey number 8 to number 1. And the first period, the official score 24-20 in favor of MMW.
Di tayo ng konti. On! Just tayo ng konti. Laging kita na dadal sa atin. Adjust tayo. Tutuan muna tayo. Lucius, you stay here, okay? Kapon, tsaka si Sir Montilla dito ngayon. Sir at tsaka Cortez, tutuan. Trap natin sila. Half-court trap tayo, half-court press. Pagka umangat dito, pagka pumasok dito, hindi nyo muna pumasok sa linya, ha? Okay. Pagka pumasok, double team. Tapos kayong dalawa ni sila kapon. Titignan nyo ito. Double team. Yung po, ayun, Lucius, you stay here so that you can, you protect the rim and get the rebound. Okay?
Sa isa ko, 17 ako eh.
Wala nila kanina. Wala natin. Roy, tingnan ka. Lucius! Free throw area.
Jersey number 15, pass to jersey number 12, fires the three, no good. Rebound na kanino. Now jersey number 13. Jersey number 13 to number 16. To number 11 to number 22, Pinali Pasere, but no good. There's a whistle. Just a rep. Foul jersey number 8, first personal foul, first team foul. Jersey number 16. There's a whistle. Okay.
Good defense.
Shot clock down to 12. Jersey number 11 to number 16 to number 11 to number 16. Fake shot. No good. Rebound.
Ganda ng laban.
Jersey number 16, still by jersey number 15. Jersey number 15, easy for point.
Two, white line!
Jersey number 13. Body foul, jersey number 24. Jersey number 24, first personal foul, second team foul. Sortea, Superes. To number 22.
Double!
Shot clock down to 10. Number 16 fires the three.
Nice one.
Goodie.
Nice one, Lucius!
Corsiga. To Corsiga. Steal by jersey number 22 to number 13. Block! By jersey number...
Buhay na. Sir, come on. Sir, Dennis.
Number 11 to jersey number 13. To number 22, drive.
Hands up.
Kick out pass. Out of bounds.
Del Murillo. Nakuha. Bato. Hindi, bato.
Number 15. Pass to Cortez. Cortez. Drop pass sa ilalim. Tipping slam para jersey number 14.
Huli. Double. Huli. Chico.
Shot knocked down to 12.
Double.
Cortez. 3 points para jersey number 11. Corsica, pace. Shot knocked down to 7.
Tira.
5 to shoot.
Bato ka sa labas, sir. Double. Huli. Double.
Number 16 to jersey number 11. Shot knocked down to 12.
Down.
That's a rep. Foul jersey number 15, first personal foul, third team foul. First throw is good. Second throw, no good.
Bang.
Jersey number 24.
Double.
Cortez to jersey number 16. Pull up jumper, no good. Rebound natin yung nakay Cortez. Cortez, nagmamadali. Kick out pass to number 15. Cortez, fake, drive. Kick out pass to Ortiga, fake, shot lang down to 10. 5 to shoot.
Tira, shot. Good shot. Bang. Down.
Cortez, fires the 3, no good. Rebound na jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Drive, that goes over there.
Sub.
Foul jersey number 22.
Tay.
Jersey number 22, second personal foul, first team foul.
Tumira kayo. Sir Corsica, huwag ka mahiya. Bumato ka. Lucius.
First throw is good.
Joy Boy. Elbow. White line. 2 to 1.
Number 2 for jersey number 2.
2 to 1. Elbow. Joy Boy, here. Ready for timeout. Ayun, okay na tayo. Nag-guess na tayo.
Jersey number 77, using timeout, MMW. Official score, 33-26.
We will get your position. You adjust, okay? You go to the elbow. Ha? In the freedom area. Okay? 2 to 1. Pagka umangat, elbow, Joy Boy. If they move here, you check the receiver. Check the one who will the pass. Ha? Then Lucius, you stay here. Okay? Double team. For example.
Pag nandito na yung bola, bababa na ako.
Katingin ka. Magiging tutuwa naman. Kaya siya naman yung bababa. O yan.
Same.
Tutuwan.
Give them space, let him come inside. I want to block one. So,
Doon yung bola.
Corsica. Setting the play para sa MMW. Corsica, cross. Pass to Cortez. 2 points para jersey number 24. Jersey number 13. Pass is number 16 to number 77. Pull-up jumper, no good. Rebound by jersey number 2.
Hoy, foul! Depensa!
Jersey number 13. Foul. Foul, jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Joy Boy, center!
Cortez. Shot clock down to 12. Joy Boy, pull-up jumper, no good. Rebound to jersey number 14.
Oy! Oy! Nice one!
Offensive foul, jersey number 14.
Lakpak, Lakpak iba!
Jersey number 13, nagmamadali. Jersey number 13 drives, but there's the whistle. Foul, jersey number 2, jersey number 2. First personal foul, penalty. First throw is good. Second throw, ready jumper. 2-4-2 para jersey number 13. Cortez to jersey number 2.
Oh, sige!
Shot clock down to 12. 10 to shoot. Kill by jersey number 77. Jersey number 77. Kill by jersey number 2. Jersey number 25. 2-point chance.
Down!
Jersey number 16. Drives. No good. Rebound na kanino. Nasa kanya pa din ang bola. Jersey number 16. But there's also foul. Jersey number 4. First personal foul. Penalty. First throw is good. Second throw, no good. Cortez.
Good shot.
To jersey number 1, no good. Rebound by jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 13. 2 points para jersey number 13. Official score, 37-33. 4-point lead para sa MMW. Jersey number 1 ang didisarte. Jersey number 1, kick out pass to jersey number 14. Bola ng MMS. MMW.
Guys, konti yung pakatol na. Yun yung pinapakita na nilang laro. Joy Boy. Saan si Joy Boy?
Meron pa kayo?
Joy Boy.
Johnster to eh.
Nandiyan na si Justin? Sige. Hanggat nandiyan, si Joy Boy pa lang ang bigman natin, tutuwan pa rin talaga tayo. Sige, try na lang natin. Man-to-man tayo dito. Pag nandito yung bola, man-to-man. Wala dito ha. Man-to-man. Pag nasa loob yung bola, 3-2 zone tayo. Ay, 2-3 zone tayo. Ulit-ulitin ko. Man-to-man dito.
Reyes. Pass to jersey number 77. Drop pass to number 14. Streak. But there's no whistle. Foul jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Second personal foul. Penalty. First throw is good. Second throw, where's the jumper? Two for para jersey number 14. Jersey number 2, long three points para jersey number 2.
Nahiya ka si Rai.
Jersey number 77. Pull up jumper, no good. Rebound to jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. To number 24 to number 1. 2 points para jersey number 1.
Ready!
Reyes. Kick out pass. Number 18. Jersey number 14. To number 2.
Tira!
Jersey number 1. Wide open. 3 points. Jersey number 11.
Nice foul. Nice. Sige daw, sige tayo. Kaya, share? Kaya, share? Kaya, share? Kaya, share?
Aroy! Pwede mo shoutout.
Oh, pwede.
Shoutout sa pamilya sa Tagaytay, I love you.
Hot pass. Setting the play para sa W. Pass jersey number 2. Long three, no good. Rebound na kanina. Number 87 to the putback, no good. Rebound to jersey number 18.
Nice one!
Cortez. 2 points para jersey 24. Jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 14. Foul, jersey number, first personal foul, penalty.
Teka lang, Josh.
First throw, no good. Second throw, no good, but then rebound by jersey number 27. Cortez. Cortez. Pass to Joy Boy. Drive. 2 points by jersey number 4. Official score, 49-35. Jersey number 71. Kick out pass to Cortez. Finds the 3. No good. 2 points by jersey number 18.
Yeah, bato!
Jersey number 2, fake. Shot back down to 15.
Tira!
Jersey number 2, long 3, no good. Jersey number 77. Pass to Reyes. Reyes to number 11, 2 points. 10-point lead para sa MW. Time remaining, 1 minute and 8. Cortez. Pass to jersey number 2. Montilla. To number 13, 2 points. 2 points there para jersey number 11. Cortez. Shot knocked down to 10. 7 to shoot. Last 25 seconds.
Rabel.
Last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds. End of the second period. Official score 53-41 in favor of MMW.
Tapos sina? Kaya ba yun yung rest? On, mamaya na. Guys, ito yung gusto mangyari ni Sir Corsica. Outlet pass tayo daw. Ha? Bilisan natin. Yan, ibig sabihin dito, run and gun. Run and gun tayo, ha? You know what is run and gun? Yung pass already. Don't stay too long there. Don't grip also many. If there's a teammate, you just pass. Then the defense. Tsaka 3 doon. Ano tayo? 3-2 zone lang tayo. 3-2 zone. Sino dito? Oh, ito dito. Sino dito? Ikaw dito. All good. Sige.
Huwag mo lang si Pierre.
Oo. Para sa'yo, Sher, di ako arang.
Jersey number 22, pass jersey number 13, jersey number 22, to jersey number 24, to number 18, Libre. Jersey number 14, number ng bola. Jersey number 1, to number 15.
I don't know. Somebody smacked me in my nose.
They are physical. So you should also physical. But don't throw a punch.
I don't know.
Just play your team. Okay, so tuloy tayo. Physical so, yung mga unselfish. Tuloy tayo. Sige, go.
Floater pa lang ako.
Jersey number 18. Number jersey number 24.
Run.
Jersey number 15. Shot down to 15. Jersey number 1. Steal the ball by jersey number 16. Pass to jersey number 22. Nice. Number 18, to number 32, fires the three, shot. Rebound na kanino. Nakay jersey number 1, easy 2 points para jersey number 1. Jersey number 13, pass to jersey number 18, jersey number 18, steal. Shot like down to 13. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot.
Nice, Sher!
3 points para jersey number 1. Jersey number 13. Pass jersey number 22. Number 22 to number 24, pull up jumper, no good, rebound na kanina. Naka number 16, but there's a go. Foul, jersey number 8, jersey number 8. Third personal foul. First team foul. Number 13 fires the three, no good. Rebound by number 18, push foul, masyado malakas. Foul, no foul left. Foul, jersey number 8.
Lucius, si Lucius.
Jersey number 8. Fourth personal foul. Second team foul. First throw is good. Two for two para jersey number 14. Jersey number 14 pass jersey number 15. Shot clock down to 10. 2 points para jersey number 27. Cross court pass to jersey number 13. To number 22. 2 points para jersey number 22. Corsiga. Shot clock down to 11. Cross court pass to number 22. Foul. Foul jersey number 15. Jersey number 15, second personal foul, third team foul.
Seven minutes tayo.
6 minutes.
First throw no good. Second throw no good pa rin. Corsiga magpapaba ng bola para sa NNW. Pass to jersey number 1. Shot clock down to 10. Still by jersey number 13. Jersey number 13, 2 points. Point lead para sa NNW. Corsiga sharing the play. Shot clock down to 11. 8 to shoot. Jersey number 14 fake. Jersey number 14 to jersey number 18. Jersey number 18 block.
Five na si Lucius ah.
Jersey number 22 fires the three, no good. Rebound na kanina. Number 18. Shot clock down to 10. Number 16, pumawal ng 3. Wala. Foul to shoot, but there's no go. Foul jersey number 27. Jersey number 27. First personal foul, 1 for penalty. Warning pala po, warning. Cortez, Corsiga. Cortez. Shot clock down to 10. Kick out pass to number 1. Tumuha ng 3. No good. Rebound natin naman number 18. Bringing number 13. Napitawan ng bola. Substitution. Cortez. Drop pass. Still by jersey number 13. Cross pass to Cortez. No good. Garcia, Cortez, putol ng 3. No good. Jersey number 13, Santana. Jersey number 24, Ronnie for popping. Jersey number 1. Ang ganda na patay number 24, 2 points.
Nice one, Joy!
Cortez to Joy Boy. Pull up jumper. No good. Shot clock down to 10.
10!
5 to shoot.
Tira, Crush!
Substitution. Jersey number 13. Drive. Drop pass to number 14. Shot no good. Raymond Garcia pass to jersey number 1. Jersey number 1 to Joy Boy. Using the glass. 2 points. Jersey number 13. To number 77. To number 14. Steal. Joy Boy to Cortez. Cortez to number 1. Corsiga, layup, no good. Perez to Manalo. Cortez to Manalo. Shot, but goes on the goal. Foul jersey number 4.
Ito to, yun lang.
Penalty tayo to.
Ilan to foul niya, Joy Boy?
Dalawa yung tatay. Dalawa tay.
Cortez. Shot clock down to 10. Jersey number 1, tumukol ng 3. Twins! Kantang sa torap. Jersey number 13. Taas to Cortez. Cortez to jersey number 14. Number 14 drives, but there's no ground foul. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 4, third personal foul. Penalty.
Jordan said he's 3 minutes.
Wala pa ng tipo, time out po, no? Sige, may na lang.
Second for good. Garcia. Pass to jersey number 1. Wide open three. Jersey number 13. Pass to Cortez. Cortez drives.
Diretso, Crush!
Pass to jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Cortez. Susubok din sa 3. Wala lang yung 3 point. Two points para jersey number 13.
Joy!
Time remaining 1 minute and 48. Shot clock down to 11. 8 to shoot. Foul plus basket count. Foul jersey number 77. Jersey number 77, first personal foul. First team foul. Bonus score is good. Still, back to Siga.
Tira, bang, bang, bang!
Cortez, pumawal ng Tulenes. Reyes, pass to Manalo. To Reyes, shooting the glass, no good.
Sabay, sabay!
Jersey number 27. Rebound.
Tira, crash, tira, crash!
Last 8 seconds to the shot clock. Ten to shoot.
10, crash, 10!
5 to shoot. Cortez, step back, wait. Cortez, pumawal din ang 3. Last 16 seconds.
Last shot, last shot! Last shot, last shot!
10 seconds. Official score 82-55. Last 2 seconds. Basket count.
Knockdown na eh.
Official score 82-58. In favor of MMW.
Ano yun? Ano yun? Blow
job daw, guys.
Blow job.
Lucius, you are for you rest for a bit. Ano po ko tuwa na ng sa'yo.
Tupaw, tupaw.
Sitry muna sa akin tayo. Sitry muna kasi meron na good defense na na-enjoy.
Ano?
Sabay ganun eh.
Ano na lang, huwag kayong magpapaano sa Joy Boy. Their focus. Do not get their
Brown.
That's all of my passing. Good is final quarter.
okay, not fight.
Blow boy, hindi blow siya.
Tutuan.
Zone. 3-2.
Bak, laki niya. 24.
Fourth quarter.
4 tayo.
Ortega dribbling the ball. Ortega, pass to, that's number 14. 12 shot back to shoot. That's number 14. 8 shot back to shoot.
8.
5 to shoot. Ortega pulls up, no good. But this is so. Double foul, wearing jersey number 71 MNS. At wearing jersey number 2.
Pilya.
So, pass ang may tangan ng bola. Pass to, still. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2 lumipad. 2 points. Jersey number 16 ang may tangan ng bola. Magkakot ng papasahan, manigay sa Estenas. Magigay kay Jersey number 16. Pass to Jersey number 22. 2 points.
Ay, narito rin nakakapos eh.
Ortega nagkamba ng bola. 15 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. Boy. Big. Grabs. No basket but Boso. Foul committed by jersey number 11. That is third personal. First team foul. First row good. Second and the last row. Ready jumper. Jersey number 71. Corner pass to Cortejas, taking three. Cortejas, Cortega, pass to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. No good. Rebound by jersey number 18. Pass to jersey number 71. Pass to jersey number 77. Look at the glass. 2 points yan. 20-point lead. Just number 14. Shot clock to home. 10. Just number 14. Step back. So good. Over by just number 16. Outlet pass. Kay Cortega. Cortega guarding by just number 18. Pass to just number 2. Just number 2 drives. No good. Foul committed by jersey number 16. Jersey number 16, that is first personal. Two for two. Jersey number 71, guarded by jersey number 15, drive. King out passing jersey number 77, hits the glass, no good. Cleared by Joyboy. Jersey number 14 na may tanga ng bola. Pass to Joyboy, fake, Joyboy. No good. Jersey number 71, 3-2, pass to jersey number 18. So jersey number 71, pull off, no good.
Tatlo pa lang guys, Joy Boy.
Jersey number 4, that is what? First personal, wonderful foul.
Apat?
Second team foul. Wonderful.
Apat tayo?
Second in the last throw. Ready jumper. No good. Sa kanya pa rin. Corsiga. Shot clock 15.
Uy, layo!
Jersey number 2. No good. Outlet pass kay Corteas. Masyado malapit ang pasa. Substitution. Cortez ngayon ang nagbababa ng bola. Pass to jersey number 14. 3. Jersey number 14. Round for the shot clock. Cortez drives. Jersey number 27. That is traveling violation. Cortez ang may dala ng bola. Cortez. Pass to jersey number 71. Sumuha na 3. In and out. Ibang buto pa 13. Cortez ngayon nagbababa ng bola. Cortez guarded by jersey number 77. Binigay kay jersey number 2. Shot clock 10.
Bitaw, bitaw!
8 second shot clock. Jersey number 2. No good. 3 ball. Jersey number 18, right. Jersey number 2, 3v1. Pushing the glass, 2 points. Steal. Just number 14, 2 points. Just number 15, 2 points. Cortez sa may tangan ng bola. 15 second shot clock. Cortez. 10 second shot clock. Cortez nakawala. Kick out pass to number 14. 5 seconds to shoot. Cortez, galing with number 14. Cortez, Cortez. Balik sa benta ang kalaban. Cortez dribbling the ball, 14 second shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot. Steal.
Oy! Oy!
Yes, pull up. No good. Second shot clock. That's number 14. 10 second shot clock. Pass to Josh number 27. To Josh number 24. 5 second shot clock. Josh number 27 drives.
Oy! Okay na tayo, okay na tayo.
Tayo mananalo sa tawag yan.
Offensive eh. Kursi ka, kursi ka. Yaman na!
Lang ano yung offensive kanina?
3 minutes and 48 seconds. This number 15. 14 second shot clock. Corsica pull up. No good. Rebound by Josh number 77. Cortez ngayon ang may tangan ng bola. Cortez taking 3. Fourth. Corsica, pass to Cortez. 12 second shot clock. Cortez taking 3. Cortez 3. Timeout. Ernest.
Yeah!
Wala decision yung referee. Yan, kinakakausapin ko. Magkalate patigilin tayo. Huwag yun ang ano. Basta 5 to shoot. 5 to shoot na lang. 5 to shoot. Ano yun na lang natin, tingnan yun. At saka yung pananakit nila, iwasan nyo na lang.
Hindi nagagawa ng himala. Hindi nagagawa ng kabayan. Gagawin naman.
Mananakit na lang. 10 to shoot tayo. 10 to shoot. Huwag kayong papatol ha. Huwag kayong papatol.
Pag umahan sa inyo,
Magpapatol
pag
ha.
may tatao sa inyo, semento. Mana? Anong message mo kay Riel? Anong message mo kay Riel?
Lock in the game.
Ang ino mo yan, maglaro ka, pakyo ka.
3 minutes and 6 seconds na dito ang sa ating fourth and final two. Number 16, pass to Sorteja. Pass to number 77. Save for possession. 14 second shot clock. Number 77, looks to the glass. 2 points. Corsica. Shot clock down to 15. 15 shot clock to shoot. 10 second shot clock. With number 14, kick out to Cortez. 5-second shot clock.
3-3!
Stable possession. 3-second shot clock.
3-3-3! Tira, tira!
Nasa number Rusher, pass to just number 14. Pass to Ortez. Wide open three for Ortez. Last 2 minutes. Just number 16. Drives. No good.
Cortez!
Bella na agad just number 1. Foul to the just number 11. Just number 11, warning for foul out. Warning for penalty. Here, this number 18, 2 points. This number 14, pass to this number 27, 15-second shot clock. This number 1,
Cortez!
10-second shot clock. Cortez, fake, pull up. No good. Ibang video sa 18, outlet pass, masyado malakas. 1 minute and 24 seconds remaining time.
Kahit for this.
1 minute and 18. 15-second shot clock. This number 27, no good. 10-second shot clock. Pass to just number 1. Just in the glass, no good. Seconds to go, 57 seconds. Just number 18. 2 points. Orsiga, pass to Crusher. Wide open 3. No good. Orsiga, 10-second shot clock. 38 seconds. Orsiga, no good. 33 seconds. Just number 18. 2 points. $27 seconds. 20 seconds. Congratulations, Evan W.
Shoutout pala ulit sa taga-tayo.
Winning team, picture po muna sa gitna, winning team.
Okay guys, so congratulations. Ito na pinakita nyo kahit na-sham lang ang players natin. I hope sa susunod na game, ganito pa rin tayo, ha? Tayo lang, hindi ko na patatagalin pa.
Shoutout kay Yeye! Si Richard, kay Reyes!
Shoutout kay ano.
Shoutout sa inyo, tatlo kayo, mga puking nyo ito regalong sa inyo, boy. Nagano pala ka-pray.
Amen! Picture. Good Lord. MW3, 1, 2, 3! Picture tayo, picture. Nice naman! Kunin mo ang ilang puntos, ilang assist para may ano ko.
Yan tayo, sama muna ako sa inyo.
Tama ka muna?
Oo. Sama muna ako sa picture nyo.
Kami interviewin mo siya, best player.
Reaction natin, pare.
Okay boys, thumbs up. Okay.
Again, every next team, Banner versus Supreme Shine.
Serving daw kita.
Oh, thank you brother. And nice game. Nakachamba na naman tayo.
Idol, 1v1 King, anong masasabi mo sa naging laban natin ngayon?
Yun, medyo sakita kasi gawa ng veterano mga laban pero di naman kami nagpa-deg dahil mga bata pa kami at nandito kami sa pinakamabilis na sistema. Yun, ginalingan lang namin. Tsaka nice game pala sa mga nakalaro namin. Salamat kay tatay. Tsaka sa'yo, Idol. Nice game sa'yo. Shoutout sa'yo.
Shoutout! Salamat Idol, 1v1 King. Baka may mga gusto ka batiin at pasalamatan, Idol, 1v1
Una,
King.
nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord and sa pamilya ko, sa asawa ko, sa pamilya Ortiz, kay Latita. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Idol.
Shoutout muna kay Reyes, Rappers,
Yan, mga
Migano. Mga puking ina nyo, boy, ito regalo ko sa inyo.
Mga naglilista
King
tapos
ina nyo,
nilalaro.
boy!
Aray ko!
Ayun guys, panalo tayo. All goods.